Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are sick of paying those high prices at the pump, then you definitely need an electric bike. My husband loves his e-bike from HEZZO. We really like that it is a more sporty mountain bike look to it, even though it's still a cruiser. This bike has a lot of great features, not just for the zoom, but also for the safety. Using the throttle alone without pedaling, he was going 20 miles an hour. There is a light on the front to make sure that he is visible to oncoming traffic, and he even had a truck pull out in front of him while he was on his way there, and the brakes worked just like brakes should work, and he was able to stop before hitting the truck. I'm glad he was paying attention. This is a 21 gear bike and it does have Shimano gears. So even if you go beyond the battery life, you don't have to worry about getting stuck somewhere like you would with an electric car, because you can use the pedals to get the rest of the way. It doesn't only have a throttle, but it also has assisted pedaling, 5 different levels. So if you want just a little bit of assistance, you can. And if you want full-on assistance, say you're going up a big hill, then it's got you covered as well. There's also a horn, so you can beep beep and let people know you're coming. Because of the speed of this, I definitely recommend wearing a helmet. The battery is really long lasting. He was able to make a 10-mile round trip and only use 1/4 of the battery life, and that was doing full throttle the whole way with the headlight on. Overall, this e-bike has been a lot of fun for my husband. We're really excited for this warm weather that is finally coming so that he can get more use out of it and he can ride it to work. And that's our point of view.